कर सब सकती है तू, बस गिरने से डरती है तू। ताकत आसमान छूने की रखती है तू, पर जमीन पे पैर हटाने से घबराती है तू। पर सोच जरा, जमीन तो कहीं नहीं जाएगी, गिरेगी भी तो तू यहीं आएगी। पर सोच जरा, अगर तू ये रास्ता पार कर लेगी, आसमान को तो छुएगी ही, पर सपना एक मेरा भी पूरा कर लेगी। पैरों में कांटों को चुभना है ही, रात के अंधेरों में तेरे हौसलों को डगमगाना है ही, मगर याद रखना तू, आगे बगीचा फूलों का ही है, और इस काली रात के बाद उषा को मुस्कुराना ही है। Hi guys and welcome back to another video of दिल की बात तनी के साथ. My name is Tanishka and today's video is very special to me because I have shared something again very personal, which is a poem that I have written, that I have said in the start of the video. And I don't know, a lot of you do not know that I actually love writing. It's something that I do as a stress buster. And even though I write more fiction, there are times when I just scribble, some random paragraphs and stuff. But poem, मैंने एक ही लिखी है, and that is the one that I said in the start of the video. And why this poem is so special, I'll tell you. So the poem is titled Usha, that is my mother's name, and I have obviously dedicated it to her. And backstory, which is a little funny. I wrote this poem, guys, 2.5-3 years back, और मैंने अपनी मम को कभी नहीं पढ़ाया, कभी नहीं. Okay, like for 2.5-3 years, I did not make her read it. I did not show it to her because I was very shy. Because these paragraphs and stuff that I scribble, I like to keep it to myself. It's just, I don't know, I get very shy to show it to anybody. So I never showed it to her. But just I think 2-3 months back, something, I think October, November की बात होगी, I was randomly going through my phone ke notes when I came across this poem, and I totally forgot about it also. And I don't know what it was. It was the phase that I was going through. It was the time. It was the moment. It was what that this poem just hit me so hard. Especially that line, that says, "Zameen to kahin nahi jayegi, गिरेगी भी तो तू यहीं आएगी." It hit me so hard because I just felt that, wow. I mean, I'm not trying to self-praise myself, but I was like, wow, Tani, खुद ही तूने खुद को लिखा था ये line कभी, and you only don't remember this line. Because sometimes we just get so damn scared to, take up anything or do something new or jump into something new. Even if we really want to do it, we're just so scared and we don't do it because we feel, यार, what if अभी जो है, वो छूट जाएगा, या अभी जो है बहुत सही है, रहने दो. I don't want to take a risk of losing this, even though you want that so bad. And I understand it. I totally understand. Some people have, a lot of problems, a lot of reasons for not doing so, and it's understandable. But at least for myself, I wanted to tell myself that, करके तो देख लो यार, worst situation क्या होगा, नहीं होगा ना. और हम humans ना ये भूल जाते हैं, हम इतने worst situations भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन हम भूल जाते हैं that the actual worst to worst situation is क्या, that you won't happen or you will fail. And it's okay because at least 10 to 20 years down the line, when you wake up some random morning, you won't regret कि यार try भी नहीं किया. You'll have some justification for yourself कि चल try तो किया ना, नहीं हुआ. That is a different story. And I don't know, it just hit me, and then I felt that maybe I should show it to my mom, and I did. Because I also felt that sometimes even parents need that reminder, and that's okay. So yeah, I showed it to her and she loved it, and it just became our thing. It was between us. But then again, last 10 to 12 days, certain things are happening, and because of which I just suddenly felt the need to go back to this poem. I don't know why मुझे याद आ गई, and I'm like, okay. And I read it again. And again, like I said, that line, गिरेगी भी तो तू यहीं आएगी, gave me so much power. I don't know what it did to me. I was like, come on Tans, don't be so scared, कर ले जो भी है, देख ले, गिरेगी भी तो तू यहीं तो आएगी. It's okay, you will end up back to square one. It's okay, at least you tried moving out from square one. and I think nothing beats that. So yeah, बस दिल में आई थी poem, and I thought I'll share it with you guys with the only and only aim that this inspires you in even the tiniest way possible. I'll just be really, really happy if you can look at this poem and feel that, yeah. Because I don't know, for me at least, reading quotes and poems really brings in that power. So I felt कि share कर लूँ, because दिल की बात है, like I said, तो दिल की बात कर ली. एंड आज के लिए बस इतना ही, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी. इसके आगे काफ़ी तो बोल दिया है ना आप बोलोगे, बट guys, I can't not talk. It's kind of my thing. So yeah, well, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. Also, please channel को भी subscribe कर दो. आपका कुछ नहीं जाएगा, literally nothing. बस एक बटन ही तो दबाना है. इंटरनेट का पैसा वैसे भी देते हो, उसमें एक बटन दबा दो. Just do it, please. Please do it. You're nice people. Be nice people. On that note, I'm signing off. I'll see you guys next week on Wednesday with a Dance with Tani video, and again on Saturday with the hashtag Dil Ki Baat Tani ke saath video. Until then, lots and lots of love.